This is my buttered bagel in the morning. This is how pretty we are. You're pretty. I love to be pretty.
Not really.
You dying over there?
No.
Oh.
How are we gonna get all this popcorn off the floor?
Vacuum. So, my butter bagel in the morning. There's one thing we have to show you first. Jeremy? Secret high five.
What?
Secret high five.
Eee.
Let's do this. I'll set this down. Set this down right here. And we'll show you guys what a secret handshake should look like. Ready, Jay?
Yeah.
Go. So,
man.
how we do? What?
How we do?
Hey woman, how you doing? Don't be stupid.
Eat a drink.
Okay, well, we're gonna get dranks, but we will see you on the flip side.